Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook page URL. You can also use your phone to change the Facebook URL of your page or personal account. For this, follow these steps. At the first step, you need to have the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. While Facebook also has the Facebook mobile app, you cannot use it to change your URL. Only Facebook Messenger app can be used. Once you open the app, log in or sign up with your Facebook page or personal account. In case you cannot find the Messenger app, you can tap on the lightning bubble on the Facebook mobile app in the top right corner. Then, go to your profile icons. Once you have opened the Messenger, tap on the profile icon. If your app opens in a different window, press the back button to head back to see the profile icon. The profile icon would typically have your profile photo on it. Once you click on it, a window will open. Over here, you can see the tab with the word username written on it. But first, tap on the settings. As you will click on the tab username, a pop-up will open here. Now you will have the option to either edit your username or copy the link. Press on Edit to change your username. Changing your username and through that, your URL is a very easy task. And that's all. If your Facebook URL is too long and you have decided to change it for good, while you are free to change it, the URL you previously had would be of no use anymore. Once you change your Facebook URL, your username will not change, nor the title that appears on your page. But since the prior link will not work, your discoverable can be hampered in the initial phase after the change. If your page has been around for quite some time and has been actively promoting it, your URL must be actively posted in multiple places. Remember that once your URL is changed, those links will become obsolete right away. It is strongly suggested that you change your URL to what you want at the very inception of your page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.